In this video, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about new to pricing strategies so you can set your rates right from the jump and avoid common rookie mistakes that mess with your cash flow and growth. When you're just starting out with pricing, it's super important to first understand your costs inside and out. Like, don't just guess what your time or materials are worth, actually calculate them. Next, scope out the competition to see what others in your niche and area are charging, but don't just copy them blindly. Use that info as a baseline, not gospel. Also, think about the value you bring to the table. If you're offering something unique or high quality, don't sell yourself short by lowballing prices just to get clients. Remember to factor in all the extra stuff that eats into your profits, like taxes, fees, or insurance, so you're not surprised later. Another tip is to start with tiered pricing or packages. This gives clients options and helps you upsell without sounding pushy. Don't forget to revisit your prices regularly as you get more experience or if your costs change, because sticking with the same rate forever can kill your margin. Lastly, be transparent with clients about what they're paying for. It builds trust and reduces haggling, which is a huge win. One of the biggest mistakes people make when they're new to pricing is undercharging because they're scared to lose business, but that just sets a bad precedent and makes it way harder to raise prices later on. So don't do that. Another common slip-up is forgetting to account for all hidden costs like overhead or time spent on admin work, which means you think you're making money when you're really not. Lastly, many folks fail to communicate their pricing clearly or put it in writing, which leads to confusion and sometimes clients expecting more than what was agreed on. Always get it documented and be upfront about any changes. BigHomeProjects.com is a cool platform that hooks homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making finding the right help way less stressful. Plus, for contractors, it's a solid way to get consistent work and grow your business without the usual headache of hunting down leads all the time.